Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be going over IRS Form 1096, Annual Summary and Transmittal of U.S. Information Returns. This is a summary document that taxpayers who need to file information returns, such as IRS Forms 1099 Series, 1098 Series, 5498 Series, must submit if they're sending paper versions of these tax forms. Over the past few years, the IRS has increased its focus on electronic submissions. If you're able to submit information returns electronically, you should do so. The IRS is encouraging taxpayers to move away from paper copies, especially for low-volume information returns. Let's start at the top of Form 1096 with the Filer's Name box. Here, enter the name of the individual or entity submitting the form. For businesses, this would be the business name. For sole proprietors, use your personal name. Enter the complete address, including any room or suite numbers if you're in an office building, and then the city, state, country, and code if you're filing from overseas. Next, fill out the name of person to contact if the IRS has any questions about this submission. Provide the contact person's phone number, email address, and fax number if available. This ensures that any issues can be quickly resolved. Reliable contact information is crucial in case the IRS needs to reach you for any clarifications or if there are technical issues with your submission. Below that, you'll enter the filer's federal identification number. This can be your employer identification number, EIN, or Social Security number, SSN. You should pick one or the other. If you are a business with an EIN, then you would obviously do that. If you don't have an EIN because you're a sole proprietor, then you would enter your Social Security number. Ensure that this number matches the one used on the information returns you're summarizing. Now, let's look at the section for the total number of forms and federal income tax withheld. The first box here is for the total number of forms you're submitting. Do not include the Form 1096 itself, only the number of information returns like 1099-S or W-2Gs. In the next box, enter the federal income tax withheld, if any. This should be the total amount of federal income tax withheld as reported on the individual information returns. Then, enter the total amount reported with this Form 1096. This is the aggregate amount of income reported on the forms you're submitting. Be accurate with these totals to ensure the IRS can reconcile the amounts with individual forms. Moving on, we need to select the type of forms you are submitting. On the right side, there's a box where you need to check the type of form you are summarizing. Only check one box per Form 1096. For example, if you're summarizing Form 1099 IINT, mark that box. If you are summarizing multiple types of forms, you will need separate Form 1096-S for each type. That's as far as we go with this tax form. You would sign, enter the title, and then date it. Here are also the instructions based on which type of tax forms you may be filing as to the due dates. If you can file electronically, it's highly encouraged, especially for low-volume information returns. However, if you need to file paper versions, this transmittal document must accompany each group of returns. Also, be aware that you must order specific copies of Form 1096 from the IRS website, as the downloadable version is not compatible with their optical recognition software. As you can see, filling out Form 1096 requires attention to detail, and even a small mistake can lead to delays or penalties. This is where Instafill can help. With Instafill, you can fill and validate PDF forms accurately. Simply upload your fillable PDF form and let our AI ensure that your documents are error-free. You will save time and avoid the hassle of manual errors. Whether it's a blank or pre-filled form, the tool handles it quickly and precisely. Here we go. Thank you for watching. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions, comments, need assistance, or if there's another topic that you would like covered in our upcoming videos, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much and have a great day.